Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to set up TikTok Pixel on Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to set up TikTok Pixel on Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store. Here you search TikTok. Select this TikTok. Install this. Install again and integrate. Here is a TikTok channel overview, which we connect for both paid and free ads. First, we connect with free. Before connecting with TikTok, you must have a verified TikTok business account for it to work. Then you will simply click on Connect. Still, I don't have a TikTok business account, so it's need to log in first. But you must log in with a TikTok business account first, then it will connect. In this way, you will connect Shopify with TikTok. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.